Cup of coffee, no better than to sneak up on me.
I'm sorry, sir, but the guys downstairs found something.
Bother someone else. I don't have time for this.
But it's about the clock-faced killer.
What? Who keeps ordering coffins on my credit card? I can't afford that.
It's another public apology, this time for Senator Peterson's affair.
No shit. Do you know what this means?
The clock-faced killer is targeting disgraced public figures.
And they all have one thing in common.
It's that.
Apologies.
Listen, Your Honor, I understand what you're saying, but this is what I do. You remember the CEO of Eltec? Yeah, everybody thought he was washed up, and where is he now? Exactly where he was. Give me a few hours, and this will be yesterday's news. Nope, wasn't feeling that one. Take two. Your Honor, with all due respect, this isn't something that will just go away. An apology is like a movie script. Every word is important.
Her name's Lime Ricky. She writes apologies for scumbags. Remember that oil tycoon that spilled all that trash into Lake Superior?
That was terrible.
Yeah, no shit. Lime Ricky freelanced for all the victims. Security feeds have the murders happening on the hour, each one later than the last.
Why go after her now?
Because her time is up.
Time's up. "7:01. We're too late."
No shit.